Let's go over to Garrett Beatenbod in the SkyWatch Weather Center for an update. Garrett, I hear the tropical storms are setting a record tonight.
Yeah, Cheyenne, they are because indeed we have had a tropical storm in the Atlantic and the Pacific for the first time ever before hurricane season actually started. That's on June 1st. So that is a record in that capacity. As we look ahead at satellite and radar composite, we do see the spin in the atmosphere coming around just east of Myrtle Beach and Charleston, about 120 miles or so, 150 miles east-southeast of Charleston, South Carolina. It is spinning out there, just not really moving that much, but it is Tropical Storm Alberto, and that's what we will see. It called for the next couple of days. Current position 32.2 degrees north, 77.9 degrees west. Winds are at 60 miles per hour, and the pressure has dropped to 995 millibars. We'll get another update around 11 o'clock tonight, but that is the current coordinates. We take a look at the forecast track. You do see it meandering out here in the Atlantic Ocean, but it will eventually be swept up by an upper level trough and moved off to the northeast, not really inhibiting our weather at all. Maybe some clouds and a few afternoon showers, but that's about it. We take a look at the overnight planner. Midnight 65 degrees down to the upper 50s for 6 a.m. And we will have some sunshine tomorrow, but will that tropical storm Alberto impact our weather? Not that much. Chances of rain we'll have from that tropical storm just a little bit in the upcoming week. And we'll talk about your 7-day planner coming up in just a few minutes. Good Saturday night to you. Garrett Beatenbod inside the SkyWatch Weather Center, tracking Tropical Storm Alberto out there, the first one of the 2012 Atlantic hurricane season. You see it right there, the little spin in the atmosphere. This low pressure was just sitting out there this time last night too, and quickly developed today. The National Hurricane Center only gave it about a 20% chance of developing earlier today. Went up to a 50% chance at noon, and then named it early this afternoon to Tropical Storm Alberto. It's also got 60 mile per hour winds with it, but I believe it has gone past its most intense regions right now. It's starting to weak. Some drier air is infiltrating the center of the storm. We see that now with our water vapor imagery. You see the greens are a lot of moist air, a lot of the water vapor in the atmosphere. You see it sort of decreases as we go throughout the day. That is sometimes happen in the evening hours, and it does ramp back up during the day. But I believe we won't be as intense this time tomorrow here with Tropical Storm Alberto. We take a look outside on the southeast. Nothing really to kick it out anywhere. That's why it's just really spinning anywhere it wants to off the South Carolina coast, say east-southeast of Charleston, South Carolina. So they're getting just a little bit of rain right now. It's actually skirting the coast right now. You can see barely touching the coast of South Carolina right now. Nothing to push it out, but that will change here over the next couple of days. We take a look at the stats right now. If you're plotting at home with us, position is 32.2 degrees north and 77.9 degrees west. Its winds right now at 60 miles per hour. I believe that will change as we come out with the 11 o'clock advisory here from the National Hurricane Center. Pressure dropped down to 995 millibars. It was 1,007 earlier today. Now we take a look at the track right now. It is going to be moving off to the northeast at about 3 miles per hour, 5 miles per hour, and it will speed up as a trough interacts with it this time on Monday and into Tuesday morning. 71 currently out here in Columbia, 71 up there, 70 in Greenville, 63 in Greenwood, so looking good up there across the state of South Carolina. We take a look at Future Watch right now. The storm just meandering everywhere outside of the coast of South Carolina, not really impacting us at all, really. Just a few chances of scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the next couple of days, but really just some clouds to deal with. Partly cloudy and very nice night, 59 degrees, and we'll have a northeast winds at 6 to 11 miles per hour tomorrow. A mix in sun and clouds, 84 degrees for tomorrow, Sunday. 84, mostly sunny skies. Monday, 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms just from that tropical storm. 84 degrees, quite warm for the rest of your 7-day planner. That's a check of your SkyWatch weather forecast. Coming up next, sports with Derek Phillips.